Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's November 21st. I'm out here in the workshop again. Let's see what's going on. I'm out here dealing with a little bit more of this corn. Like I say, it just wasn't that good, but we had some left that we weren't going to use for corn flour. We weren't going to use for hominy. So what we're doing with it, and it's the little less than grade A. Some of it's pretty good, but some of it's not, where bugs have eat it. But we've taken it, and what we're doing is we're turning it into chops. Now, I'm tired of my birds being on crack. Well, I can't really say that, but us old timers, and most of us know, we didn't get crack corn for our chicks, our chickens and hens and roosters, all that. We got chops. And what I'm doing is I've got a hand grinder right here. This one's been around for quite a few years, and I just open it up enough to where it's just going to crack this. And it's just a matter of turning the handle. And when we do that, we're turning this corn that is, like I say, it's not, most people wouldn't want to eat it because a lot of the kernels are discolored where the worms got in it and stuff like that. You can see there's a certain amount of leftovers from the worms and stuff, but the chickens don't mind. In fact, they'll eat this stuff up in a hurry, and it'll save a little bit on the food bill. But it's not too hard. You can pick up one of these grinders, pretty cheap, brand new one. You can get for like under $40. And of course, it is a lot of turning. It's not going to do itself. They do make feed mills that you can get that's electric, and you can grind your feed. And if I had more corn and I was supplying a bigger amount of my food bill that way, but this way it's really hard to find non-GMO corn, and so this way I can get away from them for a little bit. It's not going to last them very long, but anything's better than nothing. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. If you want to see more, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up, and enjoy your garden.